have no idea how I'm supposed to go to the store. And I can't even see anything. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Mariela here. Today I thought about going shopping, and what's better than shopping than to go with someone who doesn't want to be there. So grab your mask and your keys and your hand sanitizer and let's go thrift shopping. We are going thrifting. We are going thrifting. I can't even see anything. I have so many allergies and I get them out of nowhere. I still haven't gotten properly tested for my allergies. So even before COVID, I used to wear face shields because anything would just go into my eyes or my nose and I would just inhale everything and get super sick. And I'm already having kind of allergies today. I don't know if you guys can tell, my eye is pretty red. So I wanted to try this again, but I guess not in the winter. This is frozen right now. I could see this being a fashion trend in 2024. No? Yes? Maybe. We are here at our local value village. I love coming to this thrift store. I'm so excited to show you guys. And let's see what we can find. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to bring my face shield because it's fogging up way too much and I cannot see. Let's just pray my eye doesn't fall out this time. Very funny. Just I can put on the thumbnail. Oh, maybe they have bathing butterworth candles here, do you think? Probably not. One can only try. Oh hell yes! I also found this thing to put your masks on. I don't know. We'll see if that works. And then just a cute little plant holder, I think.
Look at this. Yes. And coffee maker. Also with Julian fries.
This is how I sell the jewelry tree that I used to put my masks on at the entrance of my apartment. Then I also found this towel hanger for my bathroom that looks so cute. I also got this IKEA picture frame for only $7. And this minimalistic purse that goes with everything. Also, my favorite pan to make my blueberry pancakes. And there was something about this lamp that just reminded me of my childhood. Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I did have to cut it a little bit short because my allergies acted up, so I couldn't spend too much time at the thrift shop. I did find some cute stuff. I will definitely be going back once I get better. Until then, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media, which I'll be posting right here and in the comments down below. If you have any other idea on what I should be doing next, do comment in the comments down below. And until then, guys, I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.